Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making egg rolls. Now this recipe I'm about to show you for egg rolls is the classic version that you get at your local Chinese restaurant. Now you can really switch this up and add any vegetables or proteins that you really want into it, customize it, make it your own. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, you are going to need half a head of cabbage shredded, 1 cup of shredded carrots. You can use the pre-mixed coleslaw mix if you want. I am not. Half a pound of ground pork, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 6 to 8 egg roll wrappers. To get started, we're gonna brown up the ground pork. You're gonna wanna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's no longer pink. All right, our pork is just about brown. We're gonna go in with our garlic and ginger, our soy sauce. We're gonna wanna cook this for about a minute, and then we're gonna add in the sugar. Now in with our sugar, a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna wanna cook this for about another minute. Now we're gonna go in with our carrots and our cabbage. We're gonna wanna cook this down for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until it is reduced by half. Most recipes say not to do this. I like to do it because the cabbage and the carrots have a lot of moisture in it, and if you leave the moisture in before you fry, it will give you a soggy egg roll. So let's cook this down. And that's what we're looking for right there. We don't want to brown the cabbage because then it won't give us a pretty egg roll. Now we're going to put this into a strainer and let it dry, or strain I should say, for about 10 to 15 minutes to get the extra moisture that's in it out. Okay, now to do our egg rolls, we're gonna take a little bit of our water and rub it right around the edges. This is what's gonna allow it to stick together. Our mixture is cooled down. We're gonna go in with about 1/4 cup of the mixture into each roll. Bring it just about to the edges. We're gonna wanna fold over the back, pull it in nice and tight. Bring in the one edge, the other edge, and just roll it up just like that. Now I'll do that again for you. With our water, get the edges nice and wet so it sticks. About 1/4 cup of our mixture. Over. Pull it nice and tight. Fold. Forward. Roll. There you have it. Now at this point, you can make these up and freeze them and then drop them in the fryer when you're ready. I'm gonna finish making these and fry these up. Now we're gonna fry these 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. there you have it. These are our egg rolls. Let's get a bite. They're so good. Sorry, good food really makes me want to dance. These are amazing. They're crunchy. You get to taste the pork, the soy. It all just blends together. It's the perfect egg roll. These are great for a get together, potluck. You can whip these up, freeze them. When you're ready for them, just drop them in the fryer, 3 to 4 minutes, give them a roll, and they're done. Great with soy sauce, duck sauce, whatever you want. If you like what we're doing here, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.